Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So your girl has a box here. Can you guys see my box here? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Dooney and Bourke items that I purchased with the last of my reward points. So I had like I think 600 or 700 reward points left over. So all of you Dooney and Bourke people already know what that means, that I didn't spend too much money with Dooney and Bourke. But anyway, let's get back to the box. So I was watching Sani's video on her Greta collection. Oh my God, did you guys see that video? You have to look. I'm going to leave the link at the bottom. But she had really an old new, I mean, her collection of her Greta in this all navy blue is stunning. Oh, so this is the first thing. Old Newberry Crafters introducing one of the oldest makers of hand-wrought silver goods in America. Old Newberry Crafters. Oh, they have a new partnership with them. The brand is in continuous operation since the days of Paul Revere. Oh, that's interesting. And offers limited edition bangles from sterling silver forged and hammered by hand, finished with authentic maker's mark. Oh, cute. Okay. And then this is the invoice. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. I mean, you know, I got another Dooney and Bourke book bag. Can you believe it? Look at this. Oh my goodness. And when I saw her Dooney and Bourke book bag, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get another one because I wasn't real happy with that Coach chambray from the denim collection. I just thought it was too small and I didn't have room to add anything. And so I wasn't feeling the material either because I just felt like it would get dirty quick or something. So when I saw, I mean, I had already had this in my cart and I was already thinking about it, and I knew I wanted navy blue because that's like my new favorite color. Well, I got a bunch of favorite colors, but I really love navy. And so therefore I was like, when I seen her video, I just went on there and I just ordered it right after that. So let's get into the bag. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about this because I have my other Dooney and Bourke over here. I'll show you guys. But this is called the Navy Large Backpack. And I don't think I've seen this before when I was looking for a backpack. And this has large backpack navy. It doesn't have a price on it. But I thought this was so adorable. Look at this. And there's a couple people that really raves about the drawstring. See, I like this, what is this, coated canvas, because I feel like it could, you know, take a beating because I'm really hard on my bags, my purses too. I mean, like my little purses, maybe not so much, but I'm known for dropping my purses. They get scratches on them, they tip over. So I seen like Military Mom and a lot of other YouTubers, a whole bunch of you guys. You guys know who you are. Mo Knows Beauty, DJ King. and they talk about the drawstring with Dooney and Burke, and I do have a drawstring purse, but I figured the book bag would be just fine. So let me open the book bag. Let me just see what it looks like in the inside. It's stiff too. What's huge. This is, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh my word. I think even Says What has like a drawstring bag. Look at this. Can you guys see how huge this is? I'll do an overview shot of it, but it has the usual slip pocket in the back. Oh, this is slip pocket in the back with the zipper, and then it has two slip pockets in the front, the usual, with the key keeper, and it's that famous red. And then this one has two pockets on the side. It has one here. They're kind of small, and one here. And then it has this front zipper pocket. Which is quite roomy itself. Oh my goodness, look at that. Here's my Dooney and Burke wallet here. That fits in there pretty good. Wow, I am so excited. You know, I'm going to be moving right into this, so I'm going to show you guys what I pack in here. And so they say once you close the Dooney and Burke drawstring, you don't have to worry about it opening. And this, oh my goodness. And it has a magnetic strip here. And then back here it has these canvas straps, the backpack straps with the gold on them. Oh my goodness, I just love this top handle. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Look at the bottom. Oh, it's so pretty. And it has the normal gold hardware here. Oh my Lord, it's such a beauty. So I got this, and then I said, let me at least get something to match it right away. This is the I don't know what this is called. Here's the tag on it. This is a wristlet. Oh, look at this. And I like this front pocket. Uh-oh. Whoa. Okay, that was a little tough to open. It's like it's getting caught on something here. Uh-oh. Whoa. I think it's going too far past here. Yeah, I think it's going too far past here. It's got these little metal things. And then here's this. This is cute. You can hook it here. Let's see. Oh. It's a little too tight to hook it there. I guess I could put it here. See this opening? It's got the little corner on it. The usual registration tag. It's called Greta 0257 Navy. That's what the W is. And then in the inside, it has the leather for the card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it has the slip pocket on the side with the Dooney and Bourke label. Oh, it's so nice. Now, every time I go to the store, I always see it. I don't always see the wristlets like this. Made in, what is this? In the Philippines, made in the Philippines. So again, this is what the inside looks like. And it has this leather braided tab, and this too, which is nice because you can, it has this little hook on it for the wristlet. Heart. Carry it like this. Yeah, it's so cute. Oh goodness, I'm so excited about it. I really love the navy. So I went looking at Von Maur because that's like the only store that I know of in Wisconsin that has oh, I need a little air. Having a hot flash. It's the only place that I know that sells Dooney and Bourke. And so I went there to look yesterday to see their Dooney and Bourke, and they only had a black one. I wanted the bigger wristlet, the square one. So yeah, so that's what I have. Oh my goodness. So I think it's so cute, you guys. Look at this. It is huge. And I have a little tape measure here. Let me just measure the bottom here and tell you guys how big it is. It's like 7.5 inches, and then it's 10.5 inches. The width and then the length is 10.5 inches. And then this part here is about, I would say like 14 inches. This is like 14 inches. This is a beauty. It's so good. Look at this. Leather handle. Look how it's reinforced with the leather back here. Yeah, I just feel like if I spilled some water or something on it, it wouldn't be damaged. But with that Coach, I was just like, I'm just not ladylike with some of my bags, especially my book bags. I mean, I throw them on the, I put them on the floor. I do all kinds of stuff. So I was just like, I'm not gonna be real girly with that Coach. So I'm probably gonna maybe take it back now that I have this, because I wanted something navy blue. And yeah, I think this is just so adorable. So yeah, this is my new girl, and I'm really excited about her. So tell me what you guys think about it, and I'll come back and do what's in my bag video, because I see I'm just here sitting here admiring this bag, and this video is just a little long, but this is such a cutie. Look at those. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what fits in it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Look. Cute, cute, cute. Look who's riding shotgun, y'all. Peace out, deuces.